Firstly, just before I introduce to you our musical director and leader of the orchestra, a word of apology to those on the stage and those in the audience who aren't connected with the tour this year. These concerts, especially so close to the tour, we're all getting very excited about it. We understand that there's a bit of maybe of feeling left out, but please don't feel left out at all. The concert isn't just about tour, the concert's celebrating the orchestra, the whole year of the orchestra, since we were last playing for you in the summer last year. And we've had a fantastic year doing our usual concerts around the area and further afield, and the orchestra has been well received throughout the country. So everybody that takes part in all the concert activities throughout the year, a big thank you to you all for your efforts over the whole year. Thank you. So, to lead the orchestra through the evening, the leader of the Ayrshire Fiddle Orchestra, Mr. Scott Hogg. And to take us through the first few numbers of the concert, the musical director of the Ayrshire Fiddle Orchestra, Mr. Alistair McCullough. Ladies and gentlemen, remember it's on video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ayrtown Hall. Sending our best wishes to Vandela in Ohio, to Newnan and Alpharetta in Georgia, and to St. Pete Beach in Florida, Waverley Sticks and the Ayrshire